boho box braids for my birthday in less than an hour. Welcome back to my channel, and Happy New Year, everyone. This is my first video of 2025, and I'm so excited for what 2025 is going to bring. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got these super cute boho braids in less than an hour. So this was my birthday hairstyle. My birthday was on Christmas Day. I installed these boho twists on the 23rd of December. So this is what they are still looking like. I'm gonna show you how I installed these in less than an hour using the Mara S. Campos crochet braid hack. She definitely changed the game with this braid hack. This is my third time trying it. I've done it with locks. I've done it with some longer human hair braids, and I've done the shorter length boho braids, and this hack is just a game changer. So this is definitely the way that I will be installing crochet hair from now on. Why spend the extra time when we can get it done in less than an hour? Okay, let's work smarter, not harder. So in this video, I did combine the Mara S. Campo crochet hack using the beader, but I also got another hack from Mary Kay Bella. I'll leave both of their channels in the description box and link them in the caption. But this bridge braid that you do across the top before you do those braids on the side and the back, the bridge braid is what helps to cover up those braids in the back. So that little hack by Mary Kay Bella, chef kiss, both ladies, genius. So I'm gonna give you a quick 360 and we're gonna get right into this tutorial. So I am absolutely loving these braids. The maintenance is pretty low. Let me show you what I've been using to maintain them. One second. So every couple days, I'll go in with the Kiss Colors and Care collection, starting with the foam mousse, which I absolutely love. It smells amazing. Then I go in with some of the Braid Sheen Refresher Spray. And then I've been oiling my scalp with the Scalp Fixer. Absolutely love these three products. I will link them in the description box, so make sure you check it out. I've had this hair for literally probably about 2.5 years, to be honest, and I have no clue which Amazon seller sent me this hair. So I'm gonna try to find the link so that I can link it in the description box, and I'll put it on the screen if I can figure it out. But let's get right into this tutorial. So since this is my third time trying this hack, I do have a few tips for you. Tip number one, make sure that your braids are on the perimeter of your hair. Don't put the braids, the ones in the back, don't put them in the middle. You want to put them as closest to the edge as you can. Tip number two, if your hair is thicker, you want to add more sections in the back. If your hair is thin, it's easy to connect them, to feed your hair through the beater, to hide your hair under the crochet hair. But if your hair's on the thicker side, you definitely want to do more sections. I would say for thinner hair, you can do 3 to 4 sections in the back. If you have thicker hair, you definitely want to go with 5 to 6 sections on each side. Still quick, still easy, but you'll get the job done quicker with those smaller sections with thick hair, because it is kind of hard to get it through that beater if your hair is really thick. Tip number 3, which I'm so glad Mary Kay Bella came up with this, is doing that bridge braid. So right after you do those individual box braids in the front, you want to do a bridge braid that will help conceal the braids in the back. Also, another tip that I got from Mary Kay Bella is that the first 2 times that I did it, when I connected the hair in the back, I would just leave my hair down and just conceal it with the top row. This time I started pulling that piece up and connecting it with the 2 braids above it, which I think worked out a lot better. But again, this hack definitely has me in a chokehold. So let me know what you think of these boho braids in the comments section below. Have you tried this new crochet hack yet? If you haven't, you definitely want to give it a try. It's definitely beginner friendly, so simple and easy to do. You can do this yourself. 2025, we're going to save money and do our own hair. And I'm gonna help you get there. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads. 2024, I did a ton of protective styles. Definitely going to continue to do protective styles, but I'm also going to be doing more natural hairstyles. And there's also probably some color and maybe a cut in the near future. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.